Okay, last day we learned about internet and email, and also we learned about different services of the internet. And today we have to learn actually the practically we have to learn about these sending emails and also about this email fields, right? Email fields. So last day also I said that different fields and why these different fields are used. So here, so let me check that whether you can remember that. One is the sender's email address, actually, sorry, receiver's email address that you have to definitely fill. This is a compulsory field, receiver's email address. And what about CC and BCC? CC and BCC, can you remember?
Copy and blind copy.
Yes, carbon copy and blind carbon copy. So what's the difference? Carbon copy and blind carbon copy?
Carbon copy means that everyone can see who you are copying it to, and in blind carbon copy, no one can see who you are copying it to.
Yes, in BCC, no one can see the copy. So let me show that I'm using a new email here. Let me change it to my personal email. And now you can see the email. So here from is actually my email. There are features that from can be changed. From can be changed to different emails. So, but you have to add them. But in your case, from email will be single, that is your email. But ඔයාට ඕන නම් තව add කරගන්න පුළුවන් from ඒවා. ඒ කියන්නේ email එක වෙනස් කරලා යවන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, to means, so let's say I'm going to send this mail to, okay, to whom I'm going to send this mail. I'm going to send this mail to, let's say, Tania. Tania, can you give me your email address, Tania?
tania.tissaka@gmail.com.
Tania, then
tissaka
38,600.
No, sir, 31,600.
31,600 and at Gmail.
Yes, sir.
At gmail.com. Okay, I'm sending this to Tania's email. And same time, so let's say, let's see this practically, then you can remember this. I'm copying this to someone else. So let's say I'm going to copy this to a CC here. CC, carbon copy. Okay, I'm going to carbon copy this to හරි අපි බලමු කාටද මේකේ copy එකක් යවන්න email එකේ. So let's send a carbon copy to Basuru. Basuru, what is your email, Basuru?
Basuru pushpadeva@gmail.com.
Can you send it in chat, Basuru? Chat එකෙන් දාන්න පුතේ. Zoom chat එකෙන්. Basuru. Okay, so others also, can you send your emails? අනිත් අයත් emails chat එකෙන් එවන්න බලන්න. Others, please send your emails in chat. Okay, this is Basuru's email. I'm going to carbon copy this to Basuru. So whatever I'm sending to Tania, I'm going to carbon copy it to Basuru. Others, can you send your emails? Okay, Moshita, I got your email. Thank you. Then I'm going to blind carbon copy, BCC. BCC එක මේ උඩ තියෙන්නේ, හරි? So normally when you CC, BCC is here. So I'm going to blind carbon copy, BCC. I'm going to blind carbon copy this to Moshita and Lianza. Moshita, comma, and I'm going to blind carbon copy this to Lianza also.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in my email, there is not coming from. Only to CC, BCC subject.
Yes, because from that's why I said if you have only one email, you can't change from. From change කරන්න බෑ එක email එකයි නම් තියෙන්නේ. So don't worry.
Okay.
ඒ මගේ email ගොඩක් මම add කරලා තියෙනවා. That's why a lot of froms are there. Here I have
Okay,
different emails, different organizations. Sorry?
I sent my one.
Oh yes, okay. Okay, I'm going to Check. Okay, I saw Harisa's one also. So let's add that to BCC. Okay, now you can see I have email, that is my email. I'm sending this to Thenia, copying this to Basuru, and blind carbon copy to others, 3 people. So let's write the subject hello, and I'm going to write hi all. This is a test email. Okay, I got Denuri's one. I'm copying Denuri also. I'm just blind carbon copying Denuri also. Okay, now tell me the answers. How many receivers will get this email? How many people will get this email?
All of the people over here.
Yes, how many? Count it and tell me.
1,
6 people.
Yes,
6
6 will.
people, sir.
Yes, 6 will receive the email. 6 will receive the email. Okay, so another question. So Thenia is the original receiver. Can Thenia see Basuru, Moshita, Liansa, Denuri, and Harisa? Can Thenia see others?
No,
No.
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 I
Why?
can
No.
see Basuru's email, but not the blind copy only.
Okay. Thenia will see Basuru's email, but not the BCCs. That's what you think, right? Okay. Then, so what about Basuru? Basuru will see whose email?
Basuru will see your email
All
and
of the people.
the carbon.
Not all. Basuru won't see all of these. Basuru will see my email as well as Thenia's email, because it is sent to Thenia. And okay, what about let's say Liansa? So what about Liansa?
She will see your email and Thenia's email.
My email and Thenia's. Basuru's email. It's copied, no?
Sir, then whenever it comes to blind copy, then then the main receiver and the carbon copied person, they can't see the email. Blind carbon
No.
copy.
The idea of blind carbon copy is this. Blind carbon copy idea is when you put some email to blind carbon copy, they cannot see other blind carbon copies. That is the idea, right? They cannot see to whom actually. For an example, Liansa cannot see your email, Denuri's email, and Moshita's email. Moshita cannot see Liansa's email, Harisa's email, and Denuri's email. So that's the thing. But all of them can see Thenia's and Basuru's email because they are, it's 2 and CC. 2 and CC they can see. And also they can see this one, my email, because I'm the sender. So they can see that, right?
Yes.
And Thenia can see Basuru's email also. Right? Thenia can see Basuru's email. Basuru can see Thenia's email also. Right?
So then Thenia can't see the other BCC.
Yes, BCC is the blind one. BCC is the only, this is hidden field, right? This is the hidden field. This is hidden from each and every person. But the thing is, okay, let me send this and show you. Okay, I have sent the email. Now it's sent mail. And after sending, it will go to my sent email. Right? After sending, it will go to my sent email. I can see all the mails. I'm the sender. I can see all the mails. Right? Okay, now let's, okay, one email I dropped even. So one email is wrong. Here I got a drop. So that is this email. This email is invalid. So your email dropped. So that I got a message saying your email has an error. Right? Maybe some spelling mistake or something. Okay, now let's log into. Okay, let's go one by one. I just want to see Thenia's one. Thenia, can you share?
Wait, sir.
Okay, so let's see Thenia's email. I have actually Thenia was in the Theniයට අපි ආවේ 2 එකක් විදිහට. 2 එකට තමයි අපි Theniයව දැම්මේ. Thenia, can you show us your screen, Thenia? Meanwhile, if he is not ready, Basuru can show the screen. If they are not ready, one of you, like Moshita or Liansa or Denuri, can show me the screen. Anyone?
Sir, now whenever I send my email address to someone, so my email address doesn't work.
So maybe some error, right? So maybe there's some error and we drop in or some other thing. Not sure what is going on. I'll check that later, right? But now.
Okay.
Okay, can anyone share the screen quickly? Okay, Denuri, right? Denuri, now see, Denuri to pain balan. Denuri can see Thenia's email, Basuru's email, and my email. That's what I say. But Denuri cannot see who are the other people in the BCC. But he can say, she can see Thenia's and Basuru's email. Send 2 and CC, they can see. Right? 2 and CC, they can see, but other BCC fields are blind. Okay, who else wish to share the screen? Who else wish to share the screen? Moshita? Okay, Moshita screen. Just go to email. Moshita, just go to Gmail. Here, Moshita can see Thenia's and Basuru's email again. Thenia's, Basuru's, and my email. So that's what Moshita can see. Thenia, can you share now? Here. 4 emails he can see. Thenia, can you share now?
Let's
Okay, I'm waiting till you because I sent it to you first. Can we? Oh, Basuru, are you ready? Basuru, can you share?
සර් මගේ ලැප් එකට Gmail එක දාගෙන නැහැ සර් ඒක නිසා බලන්න.
Right. Okay, then Thenia, can you? Or will it take more time?
a bit more.
Okay, so till you're ready, I'll go to the next session. So now you understood BCC. BCC is hidden from the others. Right? BCC is hidden from the others. That is what the blind carbon copy is. Now we understood that concept. 2 CC, BCC, subject is the main, and attachment, you can attach files, and you have different folders in email. Inbox is the receiving mails, sent mails will be sent. Junk means
The harmful things in the
yes, spam in and all, spam in,
Yeah.
suspicious emails will automatically categorize into the junk. That is basically the suspicious mails. Trash,
Deleted.
yes, deleted emails. And contacts are used to save the contacts. Right? Contacts are used to save the contacts. So that is okay. So one important thing is you can back up your contact in the Google Contacts. Right? You can back up your contacts in the Google Contact and import into your mobile phone also. That facility is also there in Google, right? You can back up it and import your mobile phone. So that is some additional thing. If you want, you can just go and study about that also. Right, so that is about email. And then the next thing about the hypertext markup language, HTML. Actually, who is the father of web? Do you know the father of web? Anyone?
no, sir.
It is Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. Actually, he's the founder. So web is like, it was not there maybe when your parents are young, it was not there. It came in 1990s, late 1990s. Right, in our young age, we use that. Right, I think we are the intermediate generation. In our childhood, when we come from like grade 1 to grade 3, grade 4, we didn't have technology, internet and all much. But when we come to grade 6, then the technology came. Right, that is in 1995-96 period. Then technology came, and so that was a change in. We are the change in generation. But you are born with the technology. You are millennials born with the technology. That means when you are here, technology is also here. So you are, I think,
Sir,
yes.
what is the name you said? Can you tell one time?
Which Pute?
That the father of the internet.
Tim Berners-Lee. Not internet. He's father of web, right?
Okay,
Tim
sir.
Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. He's a computer scientist, right? And he's
Excuse
called. Sorry?
Did he make Chromium?
No. So father means like he was the person who introduced this concept, right? Tim
Okay, sir.
Berners-Lee, he's the founder of W3C. W3C means World Wide Web Consortium, and W3 is setting standards for web, right? It's setting standards for web. Okay, so let's go and study his web concept.
Sir, my email is loaded.
Right, okay. Can you share it now? Can you share it now or will it take more time?
Sir should stop, then I can share.
Yeah, I have stopped. You can share now. I have stopped.
Sir, can you see?
Yes. Now what you can see? You can see my email and Basuru's. Can you see any BCC? Any BCC? Blind carbon copy? No. You cannot see anything. So you can only see 3 emails. Tania and Basuru can also see three emails. That is your email, my email, and Basuru's email. He can see 3. Tania can see 3, but others who got BCC can see 4. That means their email and these 3. These 3 can be seen by everyone, but these BCC fields are hidden from everyone. I think now you got the point, right? It's clear. Okay, let's go and learn about the web concept now.
Sir,
Yes.
so my email is loaded.
So what's your name today? Basuru.
Basul, sir.
Okay, you can also see 3 emails, right? My email, Thania's, and you can also see your email, my email, and Thania's email, right? That should be. Because BCC is hidden from everyone. So that's what I want to tell. Okay, now let's start learning HTML codes. HTML codes are very important in designing web. Hypertext markup language, very important in designing web. Actually, today in grade 6 class, right? Today in grade 6 class, we have studied how to create a web. Today in grade 6 class, we have studied how to create a web using Blogger. Right? Anyone there in the web class today?
Sorry, sir.
Anyone there in the grade 6 class today? No.
No, sir.
Right, okay. Then, so what do you have to do? So if you want, I can share you the grade 6 recording. You can go through that and start blogging, right? Or you can, yes, you can. Here, this is what we have done in that class. I think some of you already know how to do that. So we just started writing our own website. Actually, here also you can use HTML coding. Make it HTML code පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, how to do that? So let me tell you how to do that. Okay, so I'll start. Right, again, can anyone voluntarily share the screen? Who's going to share the screen? Right, okay, Denuri. So please access your, Google Chrome. Please access Google Chrome. There, please type blogger.com. I don't know whether your sister has already created one. So go to blogger.com. Others can also follow her. Right here, actually, the problem is like if you are under yes, under 18 and children under 13, right, then you are not given that service. There is a problem, right? The blogger service is not given. So maybe you can use one of your parents' email. So that is the best thing to
Excuse me,
do.
sir.
Yes,
Sir, what should we type?
blogger.com.
Okay, sir.
Blogger.com. Right, this one, blogger.com.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
My one it is coming.
Yes. So if you have created with the fake page or maybe some other's email, it will come. Right. This is what your sister has done, right? I think it's there in the computer. Okay. I'll show the steps from the beginning. So, okay. Who's getting the stream? New stream? Create blog or something? Card then.
So I came from the phone. That's why I can't.
Okay. Basuru or maybe Liansa. Anyone? Can you just share? Yenuki. How's the share? How do I come on share?
Sir, can I come from my left hand?
Yeah, that is also possible. But I think Basuru can share it, right? Basuru? Can you? Or Desandi?
Sir, sorry sir, I have a Zoom package, so
Ah,
I can't open Google.
that's the reason, right? Okay, Liansa came from phone again. Tania, can
Sir,
you? Tania, can you? Okay, Mount. Right, thank you. So can you open Google Chrome? There, please type blogger.com. 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 BLOGGER.
Sir, my one loaded and I already searched blogger.com.
Okay. This is what it looks like initially. So it will tell create your blog. Maybe it will show you create your blog. You have to click on that. Okay, when you click on that, so you are asked to select a Gmail account. Then you can select a Gmail account. This is belongs to your father, maybe. Please select that. And you have to type the password that you have to ask from your father, maybe, right? If it is not saved, that is needed.
Sir, I don't know the password.
You can ask from him. Is it there in the home? In home or not?
No, sir.
All right. Okay, then you have to.
Sir, I can share my one.
Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, you have to create an email account, right? Create an email account, put in some fake age, maybe. Okay, create your blog. Please go to create your blog. There. Others, you have to create like a brand new email with a different age. And then you can do that, right? Okay. So when you start creating your blog, it will ask for your, it will take some time, right? Okay, then you can say select an email account and please give the password. Please select email account and then give a password. That will open the Blogger for you. Okay, slowed in. So others have to patiently wait till it's load. Okay, so what is a blog? Blog is a personally created. It's like a website, right? It's a website actually, but it's easy to create website. You can just create blog, and that can be used to. Then you have to give the title of the blog.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in my one, sir came add the home address, add the confirm your recovery email or phone number. What is that? That means
Recovery email means in case if you forget the password and all. So what is the phone number or email that should give the authentication? So you can use your phone
okay.
number.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, for the address Pute, please type the full name without spaces. Type the full name without spaces. If it is like not available, then type the grade also. Right? Let's try to save. Let's try to save. It's available, right? Yeah. Then try to save it. It's theniadayananda.blogspot.com, and this is your blog. You are done, and you can go to the view blog. See how simple it is. You are done, and please go to the view blog, and this is your website. And this is your website name, theniadayananda.blogspot.com. That is your website name. Right? In case if you don't know how to create a blog, right? So actually that I taught in grade 6. But in case if you don't know, this is how we have created that. And how to add a post. Please go back to the previous tab. There's a new post here. In new post, you can type a post, maybe type hello and hi, something like this, a very small one. And title also. Title here, this type. Title. And publish it. You can see publishing button in the corner. You can publish it. And so can you copy and paste your blog address then? Because then the others can also see that. Please copy and paste that. Just go to view blog. Just copy that and paste it in the chat. Everyone, හැමෝටම paste කරන්න. Just copy and paste it to everyone. Others can go to his blog and see. Others can visit his blog and see what's there. Right, I think he has sent it. Here, I'm also visiting his blog, and this is what I can see. So now he has created a blog. That is the advantage of website. Once created, it is available in the internet to everyone. Here, this is Thenia's website, and I can see that. When he is updating the website, I can see the updates. You also can see that. You also can see that. And you can also create your own website like this. It's a very simple thing. Now you know what is a website and why it is used. Actually, this lesson is not there for grade 7, right? Don't worry, make a grade 7 alternate. But I wanted to show you, so what is website? Now you know practically what is a website and you know how to create it. Website is a document which can be shared in the internet, and the people will access that through the web browser by clicking on a link or searching it. And today what we are going to do? We are going to learn the language which is creating the websites. Okay, to do that, you can open your notepad in your computer. Please open notepad and let's create the basic HTML page. This everyone can do this because even though you have internet or Zoom package or whatever the package, that doesn't matter because this is not online. You can use notepad in Windows.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I lost in the middle.
Okay, don't worry. Now you can start from here. So please open notepad. Every one of you, please open notepad. And now let's learn about the basic structure of HTML. And this is it. Actually, it is created using tags. This is called start tag and this is called ending tag. Here also, this is another start tag and this is another ending tag. So in HTML, we use opening tags or starting tags. Here opening tags, here also opening tag, and these are ending tags or closing tags. HTML uses opening tags and closing tags. In between that, it has content. You can write the content. Okay, let's write a quick web page. You can do this with me. A tag is a special keyword which is placed inside the less than and greater than marks. Less than mark and greater than. You can see this is starting tag and this is ending tag. Right, if you are doing this in Notepad, no need to put these numbers, right? Notepad එකේ මේ numbers එන්නේ නැහැ. ඒවා දාන්න ඕනෙත් නැහැ. In your mobile phone also, you can use any text editor to edit this. In mobile phone, you can download, maybe if you don't have a text editor, you can download, let me tell what is the application that you have to download. You can
Excuse me,
download,
sir.
yes.
Sir, in my notepad, it's come like this.
Okay, you can see Notepad for Android. Or you can download Notepad HTML. Right?
No,
Notepad.
sir, I can't. Yep.
Sir, I'm Yashneet. I'm the new student who joined today.
Okay, that doesn't matter, Pute. We are just discussing the last chapter. But don't worry, we will be discussing again from the beginning after finishing this, right? We will be starting new classes, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
what you have to do today, we are doing a new lesson actually. We are doing a new lesson that is HTML, right? We are doing a new lesson that is HTML. And I asked all of you to start a notepad. And I saw, first of all, actually, I saw you what is web page. Now you know what is web page. Now what you have to do, start notepad, either in mobile phone or computer. Then start typing this. Start typing these codes. Actually, this is available in your book also. Here, HTML, head, and all these things. We have to type that. Okay, HTML, after that head section. Inside the head section, you have the title section. Inside the title section, you got the title of the web page. My page, let's say my page. Mama, my page, I'm going to write as my page. You can write anything. And then the body section. Inside the body section, you can write, okay, my page content. That's it. It's a very simple web page. I'll explain that, but first of all, please do this with me. Who said that Notepad is not loaded properly?
Sir, me.
Can you share quickly?
Okay, sir, I will share.
Quickly do it, Pute, otherwise others will miss that.
Okay, sir, sir, can you see?
Yeah, that is Notepad, yes. So what's wrong with that?
Sir, I type notepad
Yeah.
and when I open, it is coming like this. Is it correct?
Yeah, it's correct. What's wrong with that? It's correct. You have to write, type your code there.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you copy paste and send? Copy and send for the
Yeah,
chat?
but better you type it, right? I can copy and send it to the chat, but that is like, yes, that is faster. But the thing is, you should write the code in, right? To remember that, you should write the code in. Okay, here's the copy and paste. You can just copy paste that and see. But better you write that. Everyone
Okay,
can
sir,
copy
then.
from that, right? Everyone can copy from that. But later you have to practice, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, later you have to practice that. Now for the movement, please copy and paste it in the notepad. After that, you have to save file, save as, and go to the desktop, and you can save that as, let's say, your name or any name. Let's type that soon.
Excuse me, sir.
HTML. Please listen. Please listen, otherwise you will miss. When you save, please type some name, maybe your name, dot. The extension should be HTML. The extension should be HTML. Dasun.html here. You can type maybe basuru.html or anything that you like. I'm going to save in the desktop. Just saved. After that, I'll go to the desktop and I can double click on that file and open it. Here, dasun.html. I can just double click on that and that will be opened in my web browser. As a, here you can see my page and here my page content. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is the code. I have already sent the code to you. You can copy paste in the notepad and save that as yourname.html. Then double click and open that in the web browser. Follow the instructions. If you miss anything, please let me know, then I can help. Okay, now you can ask questions if you have any. Then අහන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම්. You need the code again? Desanthi, you need the code again. Okay, I have sent it again. I have sent it again, Desanthi. You can copy paste it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in here, sir, we should click file and save as, and we should, what should we choose, desktop or this piece or
Desktop.
download?
That's why I asked you to listen. Desktop. Desktop. You have to select desktop.
So my HTML file is open.
Right. Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Okay, share it and show me. Yes, correct. Correct.
So working.
Anyone else wish to share? Anyone else wish to share? If you have doubts, you can share. Okay, Moshita, just double. It is text Moshita. .html ko. Moshita.html. Right? .text නෙවෙයි. සේව් කරන්න ඕන moshita.html කියලා.
Okay, sir.
අහන් ඉන්න ඕන එකයි මම කිව්වේ listen කියලා. අහන් ඉන්න නැත්තම් වරදිනවා. මේ dasun.html text නෙවෙයි. Text උනත් වැඩක් නැහැ නේ. HTML page එකක් ඉන්න. Extension should be HTML. Anyone else?